Now this Smittybilt Tire Repair Kit includes everything that you need to fix up your tire when you're out on the trail and you get a flat. It includes some needle nose pliers and literally everything that you need. So we're gonna get started and I'm gonna show you how to repair a tire that's been punctured. This one we have on the table is a BF Goodrich KO2 and it's got a screw in it, so we'll show you how to get that fixed up. Starting from this side, we're gonna begin with the needle nose pliers. Then we're gonna use our reamer tool, the included rubber cement, the plug installation tool, as well as the tire plugs. We're gonna get started with these needle nose pliers to get anything that you have out of your tire, get it out of there. Here's the culprit of this flat tire. It's right here. I'm gonna use the needle nose pliers, see if we can't pull it out. We had to use a little bit of a larger plier to get that pulled out since it had such a big head. You can hear that it's hissing out of there. Now what we're gonna use is the reamer as well as some cement to get that nice and cleaned, and then we can put our patch. We're gonna put a little rubber cement right here on the reamer, that way it gets inside there and it really seals it up. Just pop the cap, use the back end of the cap to get that popped. We'll put some right on the tip. Make sure that this hole is really reamed out. The reamer's gonna even out the size of this hole and make the patch fill in a lot better. Grab one of the included plugs and put it over the insertion tool. Fold it over. And now this is gonna go right into that hole we just reamed out. And there you have it, your tire's patched. After you've got your tire plugged, now it's time to fill it up. We're gonna run this at about 35 PSI, see how it holds. All right, and as you can see, we're all buttoned up. We've got our tire plug in there. It's buttoned up to 40 PSI. We're gonna use this tire as a spare, as you should if you have a plug in it. You can honestly still drive on it. However, it's better to have it as a spare. It only takes about 15 minutes to do this, and you can find this tire repair kit, as well as a few other tire repair kits right here at cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here. And for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.